Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw. I'm here at the Four Seasons Nevis with Gonzalo Güelman Ros, who's the general manager, and we're going to talk about what this resort is like today and what it's going to be like tomorrow, because there are a lot of changes in store. And this is Insider Travel Report. Now, Gonzalo, I have been here before. It's a beautiful resort. It was actually before you got here. So you've been here how long now?
15 months. First of all, welcome home.
Thank you.
Welcome to our renewed Caribbean paradise. It's a privilege to host you here with us, and very excited. I'm already 15 months I've been on property.
Months, right?
Yes.
Now, what are already you've done a major change, a phase one of a kind of renovation. Talk about what you've done already now.
Very excited, as this is a 27 years property, and we just finished what we call phase one of the renovation during 2018. We done all our 189 rooms. We done a renovation of Hamilton room, that it was the former Cora Grill restaurant, and now it's a multifunctional meeting space, a pop-up restaurant, so different sort of things. We done a full renovation of what it was Neve, that it was the breakfast restaurant. Now it's called Esquilina, that is a breakfast and dinner Mediterranean concept. And we done the renovation of the lobby bar, that it was the library bar. Now it's Crown Monkey Rum Bar, and it's very trendy and contemporary. And as you can see, we done a full renovation of a lobby that is much more inviting, with a sense of place, and recreating a living room instead of a lobby.
Yeah, no, definitely. I came back here, and it's the first thing I noticed is that the whole lobby had been renovated. I walked in the back and I saw the new restaurant, amazing, and then the rooms are really been redone very well. They've been.
Yeah, we are very excited. We believe that we are very pleased with the support of the owners of the resort, and the designer that is working with us have done a remarkable job. Now we are getting ready to the phase two.
And that's phase two. But let me talk first about what you've kind of instilled in here, because I think there's a new spirit here, right?
We're working on it. It's about, we've done a product renovation, and we're working on a service renovation, that we are here to inspire the team.
I mean, the service was always great, but you're trying to take it one step up, right?
Yeah. That's Four Seasons. That's what Four Seasons Nevis should be, where the people guests come and stay with us and have a relation that they will never forget, because we're going to touch the DNA.
Yeah.
It's going to be emotional, it's going to be contemporary, very respectful, but still very friendly, and with a lot of humor.
Well, it always was very friendly, and you get some amazing people, and I think people come back because of them. And you do have very little turnover here on Nevis, right?
Almost nothing. It's the first property I worked in the last 25 years or a bit more, and I never saw that turnover is so low, and that's a great. We are the main employer on the island, on the federation, but people don't want to leave, and that's a gift.
And it says something about Four Seasons, about you, about the whole property, and how proud they feel about it. But it sounds like you're going to take it to another level, as I said. Now let's talk about phase two, because that's a really big one coming up. And in fact, you are going to close the property for a few months, right?
Yes, sadly we learned the hard way. This year 2018, we took the decision not to close. We went, through phases and areas, but it was a hard decision. We had a commitment with the team, with the island, with the local authorities, of not closing, and we took the risk, and it was really bad, because even if we communicated to our guests, a renovation, when you have 150 persons working on construction, and noises and trucks and machinery, it wasn't a good experience. Right. It wasn't a Four Seasons experience. And what we're going to do next year is maybe 10 times more.
Well, it's actually this year, right? That's right.
Yes, yeah, you're right. 2019 is even worse, because we're going to do a full demolition of the main pool and a full demolition of the pool and beach restaurant. And then we're going to build from the terrace of the lobby an infinity pool.
So we're looking out across
Correct.
The lobby, and that whole area is going to be now a huge infinity pool,
and
right?
With a lovely deck, pool cabanas, and a new restaurant beside that is going to recreate. It's going to be called On the Dune, because it's going to be literally sitting on the dune with the bar, and it's going to be recreating a luxury yacht. And it's going to be this culinary concept that is from the farm to the table. great products, light food, but a very positive vibe, music, and a bar where it's going to be a lot of fun at night, hopefully.
So that's a huge renovation. Any other parts to this renovation for phase two?
Yes, we're working on Mango, our standalone restaurant that is Caribbean flavors. We're doing a soft renovation there, and we're going to do we're going to have a new splash pad and a new Kids Four Seasons with a new game room too.
And the adults can go on the splash pad too, right?
If you know how to, if you behave, yes. Before or after the rum punch, that's something we need to discuss.
Well, we will have to discuss that. I don't know. But now the other thing about this resort is things you're not changing. Like you've got an amazing tennis program, 10 courts, 3 different surfaces. Correct. You've got a great golf course. I'm not a great golfer, but I played a little of it last time I was here. I think I lost every ball I had, but it was a beautiful course to be walking around. And if you are a golfer, it is a great, it's a challenging but very great course.
To your point, it's really challenging because it's tricky. You think, okay, this one I'm going to really hit it, and then you loop your ball and say, what is it? I lost one again. Tennis, we are going to continue with our capital project to maintaining and upgrading that. And we're going to do some stuff also maybe in 2020 to the spa, fitness center, and that all spa.
Well, it is a beautiful area because it is a very outdoor spa.
Correct.
That's what I love about it.
Yeah. And we are very happy. We also done during 2018 a full reconstruction of our pier. We extended to double of the regular size, and we invest in a retention wall to avoid, water or sand into the resort because of the level that we are. And we have a new surface there that we use for pop-up events because we have a unique sunset.
Yeah, and you also have, I think, a bar out there sometimes, right?
Yeah, when we do these pop-up events that I love to do everywhere and every time that we can, we have the very nice rustic bar there that works very well.
Now, what else would you like to tell travel advisors out there in the market? I know a lot of them book this property for their clients about what's to come and what exists now.
Being 27 years, this was the best resort in the Caribbean and maybe one of the tops in the world. We're going to be back there. Give us the opportunity, come and visit us. We're going to roll up the red carpet for your guests and best clients, and whoever comes to Nevis wants to come back.
And I'm sure I have now come back, and I look forward to coming back after the next renovation. Sounds great, and I'll certainly be returning.
My pleasure. This is your home, your Caribbean home, and thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much, and I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.